As you can see, we are testing our latest Ultimate product. This product has been developed to be able to help protect the nose cone from consistent gravel damage being thrown up by your vehicle. The Stone Shield is fantastic, being able to keep the Raptor in good condition, and not only that, it's really easy to be able to access inside your nose cone. Alright, so as you can see, here's the camper trailer with the hardy Raptor coating, but it is sacrificial. When we take it out, or when you take it out more importantly, and travel at high speed on gravel roads, these campers live in gravel storms. So no sort of coating is going to be able to give them 100% protection. This camper trailer is in fact over 2 years old and it has done a lot of hard work. You can see there's a few chips around the leading edges, but overall it's doing quite well. That's why we developed the Stone Shield. With the Stone Shield, we hope to be able to reduce a lot of that sort of damage, to be able to keep your camper looking pristine for years to come. So when you're out travelling at 80 or 100 kilometres an hour on gravel roads and your beautiful Ultimate is being hit and peppered by all sorts of gravel, the Stone Shield is going to help to protect it. So, what do you think? Good testing or what?